Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to run DeepSeek v3 locally. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To run DeepSeek v3 locally, what you need to do is set up the environment, install dependencies and load the model for local execution. These instructions will guide you through the process based on common deployment practices for machine learning models and tools like Hugging Face and PyTorch. So install Python, then set up a virtual environment. Then step 2 is to install dependencies, install code libraries and optional dependencies, and step 3 is to access and load the DeepSeek v3 model, access DeepSeek v3 model and then load model files. Step 4 is to generate text or code with DeepSeek v3, create a Python script to run interface and generate code, run the script and then experiment with prompts. Step 5 is to fine-tune or customize DeepSeek v3 if you want to fine-tune the model or specific data sets or make it more tailored for your coding environment. You can use Hugging Face training utilities to fine-tune the model. Step 6 is to troubleshoot like memory issues or missing dependencies and model compatibility. Last step is to stay updated. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.